2024 is just a whole, it's a personal development, business, and, financial and strategic play. And I'm trying to bring guys along. I want to help other people. I want to be able to be that guy, being able to give back to those that I care about and that I like and that I see, value in. And so really, I want to elevate myself this year.
Guys, we're here with Nathan Bryan.
What's going on, guys?
Many of them don't know, for all the people that are watching, many of them don't know who you are yet. Tell them a little bit about yourself.
I'm from Ohio. I met Luis on Instagram, and my solar career started really early, actually, August of 2023, and I was commercial diving actually before I went into solar, and I found, I love being in the water, but I need something more, as crazy as that sounds. I need more human interaction, and for me, the biggest thing going forward in my career was just finding something in people that I like to be around, and something to be a part of. And so that's kind of what brought me towards sales, and really it's been a fun journey so far, and I'm just happy to be down here in Florida.
Let's go. A lot of you savages don't know Nathan yet, but he works with our team Peak Energy here based out in Central Florida, and we're spreading across the nation now. Brother, what made you decide, because you and I never met before, but it was through social media, and we started connecting through social media via phone, etc. What about it, and what about Peak had you decide to actually fly down here and take a chance on this blitz that we did? He killed it on this blitz, and we'll dive into it.
Thank you. Well, the main reason for me coming down here, before I even met you, and I knew I wanted to be here, was not so much just solar, it was the lifestyle and the culture. And, seeing you, preach about faith, fitness, finance, and, family matters was a huge thing for me. And I didn't just want to change my financial situation, I wanted to change, my lifestyle. And no better place to do it than Florida. So, I had to, come down here and take a chance. And, so far everything's been better than I could ever imagine.
So what we did with Nate is, in the communication that we had, I actually told him to fly down here and work with us for 9 working days. And I told him, if you work with us for 9 working days, I'm going to show you how to earn $5,000 or more within those 9 working days. And he did just that. So shout out to you, brother. You actually got 3 installs. You got 4 deals. So 3 out of the 4 jobs that you enrolled and we enrolled with Pete got installed. So that's huge. For the people that might not know a lot about solar, or for even the veterans, how have you been able to just continue to crush it with this setting?
With the setting, I would say, really, what I try to do on the doors, it's not so much, strategical. I would say it's just more, I'm trying to have a conversation with the homeowner than it is, I guess you could say that's my strategy. Having success is really just making the conversations genuine. Find the problem. A lot of the times when people knock on their door, they're just tired of the salesman, tired of, you need this product. Well, my method is I only want people who want my product. So it's like everything's a transfer of energy. So who is accepting of you on the door, when you can push it a little longer. And so, I'm quick to pull the plug. Maybe that's something I can work on, with homeowners when I start getting weird vibes with them. But as far as setting goes, I try to find the people who like my product and that I know I can serve. And from there, it's just relationships, it's not customers. And so that's really been the building block of my success. It's just building relationships.
And why Peak? What made you decide to come down here, trust me, trust the company? What made you decide to come down and take a big bet on yourself?
It was I'd seen on the Instagram post, you with the guys and the culture of working out and, everyone's getting jacked, getting the checks, everyone's on the same journey and they're around the same age group. And it was I envisioned myself being a part of those guys and that culture. And when I saw that, I envisioned myself being there, it was a no-brainer. I had to, I knew where I needed to be. And I have enough belief in myself and my abilities. Even in my short duration of sales, I was willing to take a bet on myself, and it really paid off. And, if you go into anything with confidence, you're going to find results in some way. And, I did just that. And so Florida's been really...
Exactly what it did. That's exactly what it did. So guys, a little bit of context on what we did. We had something called the Blitz, where we go to a different city in Florida. We knock for 9 to 10 days, if not more. And the top earners end up coming back with thousands of dollars in their pocket. And all we do is help homeowners lower the power bill that they already pay. So what Nate came and did is he took a huge bet on himself, ended up actually coming in one of the top savage positions, meaning he actually earned the most in the blitz out of the setter savages. So huge shout out to you, brother. What would you tell the guys and gals that are thinking of joining the solar industry, or like even for people that might be working at a different company, why should they try blitzing with us and working with us?
I mean, there's a million reasons I could go over, but as far as just solar goes in general, we got the fastest install times on the market. 7 days, no brainer. It's no brainer. It makes no sense. The culture, everyone around you, you have a team of guys that all want the same thing as you. But they want you to win just as bad as themselves. And so, that brotherhood of guys is a band of brothers, and we're at war. And so, it makes for such a great motivator every single day, knowing that you have a team that has your back, and that's just altogether, it's an unstoppable force.
Sure.
And it, made me want to be down here. And so to anybody who's thinking about, coming out here, wherever you're taking a step, you're taking a leap of faith. And I did the exact same thing coming down here with Luis on the first opportunity, and he showed me it was possible. And long story short, essentially just you're diving into something that has structure, has a system that works, and a culture that knows how to provide. And so, you're taking a leap of confidence when you take a step with Peak.
Let's go. Yeah, and guys, we're going to be doing many blitzes in the future. So what that means for you, if you're watching this, the goal is we want to work with you. We want to work with people that focus on their faith, their family, their fitness, and their finance. We want it all, and that's exactly what we're chasing. And that's exactly what Nate and I and Peak are building, is we're looking to partner up with the right people and build with the right individuals so we can scale this and build an awesome army with impactful individuals. What's the hopes for the future, brother? I know right now we just entered into 2024. We're a couple days into it. What are you looking to get out of this year?
This year, I'm looking to crack at least $250,000 as far as my financial goal. Get out of debt. I don't want to have to pay any more student loans. Tired of that. I think really, I guess the biggest thing is I want to build with Peak. I want to see what Peak can become.
Sure.
It's not just a job. I'm looking, or for myself, I'd like to see where the entire team builds. I mean, I'd like to see 20 more guys, by the end of the quarter, on our team. Yeah, really, 2024 is just it's a personal development, business, financial, and strategic play. It really is. And I'm trying to bring guys along. I want to, help other people. I want to be able to be that guy, to be being able to give back to those that I care about and that I like and that I see, value in. And so, really, I want to elevate myself this year. That's the big goal with Peak, and I know I can do it.
Let's do it. Yeah, guys, so there was a time when I was scared to actually jump into the solar business. I was scared to actually put my head down and grind in the solar business. And then when I did, I ended up finding a lot of reward and we made a lot of impact. And I was able to give back a lot more than if I wasn't actually pursuing it. So what we're looking to do with the right individuals is not only show you how to earn $5,000 to $10,000 in 5 to 10 days, but we actually want to show you how to focus on your faith, how to focus on your finances, your family, and your fitness. And as long as we check all boxes, there's no way they can stop our team, and we want to build a team with you guys. Dude, where can people find you at on social media?
Instagram is at Nathan Bryan, Snapchat Nathan Bryan, and that's all the social.
How much did you earn in these 9 working days?
Altogether, it came out to $5,700. $5,700 in 9 working days.
Installed jobs. So
there is a way. The proof is in the pudding.
Yeah.
Slapping glass on the roof 4 days.
One thing that I can say that Nate's definitely done, because I saw the progression in just a short amount of time, is having faith in the process. Like most individuals want it right away, but guys, it's going to take time. You're going to experience hardship. You're going to get tested. You're going to be faced with a lot of adversity, but it's how you overcome that adversity and how you position it and angle it. That's how you scale. That's how you win, and that's how Nate's crushing it. So
appreciate you, bro.
Bro, keep crushing it.
Thank you so much.
I look forward to building with you.
Yeah.
And we look forward to building with you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Let's go.
What's going on?